Buying a WamBam fence works differently than traditional fencing, and it's designed to be much simpler from purchase to installation. Instead of buying fence panels and posts separately, every fence kit includes one post, a no-dig anchor, and post cap inside the box. Think of each kit like a puzzle piece. Each one connects to the next to form your fence run. When you add more fence kits, they simply continue the run. And to complete any run, no matter how many panels long, you'll need to purchase one additional post. We call them finishing posts. Our posts are designed to work in any part of your project, in a straight run, on a corner, or to mount a gate. Installing a gate? It follows the same simple structure as the rest of your project. Whether you're installing a single gate or a double gate, you only need to buy one additional post. And that's it. 3 simple boxes: fence kits, gate kits, and finishing posts. Build your run, add your gates, finish with one post. Buying your WamBam fence is that simple.